Hi guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can modify the folder and the file name in your GitHub. Let's begin. So let's go to our GitHub dashboard. Let's sign in. From our repository, we want to modify a folder name within the repo 301. We will modify folder 100. Let's click to that. And then let's click the test100.txt file. On the right side, there is a pencil button. Click to that one and move the cursor in front of the file name. Hit the backspace on your keyboard. Let's modify it to 101 and then hit the forward slash on your keyboard. Let's modify the file name to 101 and commit changes. Commit changes. Now, as you can see, the file name has been modified to 101 and as well as the folder 101. What if we want to move this file to another location or to another folder? What you can do is to hit the pencil button and then move the pointer to your text box, move the cursor in front of the file name and then hit backspace on your keyboard, then hit the forward slash on your keyboard, and we can type folder, let's say folder 102, forward slash folder 103 forward slash, and then commit changes. Commit changes. So the test 101.txt has been moved to another folder, which is folder 103. The second method that I'm going to show you is we will change the name using the GitHub web-based editor. So let's go to our homepage and let's click to the repo 301. From here, you can just press the dot sign on your keyboard or the period sign on your keyboard, and it will redirect us to the web-based editor. We can go to the Explorer and we can click the folder 101. So if you want to modify folder 102, just right click to that and just rename. We can rename it to, let's say, project 102, enter. And you have to click on the source control. We have to commit the changes, let's say update, and hit commit and push. It's now modified to project 102. And if you go back to GitHub, if you go to the repo 301, as you can see, the folder has been modified to project 102. That's all for now. Thank you.